In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video on Wix. We'll walk through the exact clicks you'll make in the Wix editor, and I'll share a few quick tips so your video looks clean and loads smoothly. First, open your site in the Wix editor. At the top left, click the plus icon. This opens the Add panel, which is where Wix keeps all the building blocks for your pages. From here, choose Media. Media contains image, audio, and video elements. Because we want a single video rather than a gallery or background, go to Single Video Players. Inside Single Video Players, you'll see different sources. Find the YouTube icon. Click and drag that YouTube element straight onto your page. As you hover over the canvas, you'll notice smart guides that help you align the video with other sections. Drop it where you want it to live. Don't worry about perfection right now. You can resize and reposition it at any time by dragging the handles or using the toolbar. With the video element on the page, click it once to bring up the context menu. This menu is where you configure the player. You'll see options related to content and appearance, but the key action is to connect your specific video. Select Change Video. A field will appear where you can paste your YouTube link. Paste the full URL of the video you want to show. It can be a standard youtube.com link or a youtube.be link. Wix will detect the video, pull in the preview, and wire it up to the player automatically. If the video doesn't appear immediately, double-check that the link points to a public embeddable video. Age-restricted or private videos won't display. Also, avoid pasting the entire embed code. Just the URL is all you need here. Once the link is in place, your player is ready. You can fine-tune the size to preserve a clear 16:9 look, keep it centered for balance, and make sure it has enough breathing room on mobile layouts. That's it. Your YouTube video is now embedded on your Wix site and ready for visitors. Quick recap. Open the Add panel with the plus icon, pick Media, go to Single Video Players, drag in the YouTube element, click it to open the context menu, choose Change Video, and paste your link. Simple, clean, and effective. If you ever need to swap videos later, repeat the same change video action and paste a new URL.